agree with you. Yeah. I've never seen that before.
Bungee jump, you know that.
Oh,
So when I get to
when
units
you're
like
scared
that,
of heights, you don't do bungee jumps.
yes, you do.
No, you don't.
Of course it's like. And like when I'm looking down there and it's so high, I'm scared. I can't look down.
I'm sorry, love. I didn't know you were that scared of heights.
Like when we go down, I won't look down. I won't look down that far. Do you want to talk?
No, it's okay.
Have a little talk.
I've done my
It's your
talk.
first time. Come on.
I'm talking.
With your mountain in the background.
Yes, right. Get there one day.
Huh?
We'll get there one day. Top of Avalanche Peak
Today. Avalanche Peak. Which is amazing. Okay, love.
Okay, shall we go? Just want a little juice here before we head.
There we go.